If you are looking for ideas to make money online, follow this video and know about amazing microjob platforms online that pay you to complete small tasks. You do not need any kind of experience or any kind of qualification for this, so follow along. Hi guys, my name is Chavi, the owner of Mrs. Daku Studio, a place where we talk all about making money online and working from home. If you haven't subscribed already, do that right now by clicking on the bell icon below. We have so many amazing videos on how to work from home and making money online, and I'm sure you can find something suitable for your skills. You also do not want to miss out on any new video that we upload. So let's get started. The first platform is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon MTurk is the most popular micro-task website online. The tasks on this platform are known as HITS, that is Human Intelligence Tasks, and you will get specified cash amount for each hit you complete and get accepted by the requester. You can either send the money directly to your bank account or put it as an Amazon gift card. I will be linking to the FAQ section in the description box below. You can find all the answers about how Mechanical Turk works and how much can you earn. This is the website of Amazon Mechanical Turk. You can click on Get Started with them and create a worker's account. The second one is Click Worker. You can scroll down to the website and click on Click Worker Job. You can find a lot of FAQs here and answers to a lot of your questions. So ClickWorker is a great alternative or addition to Amazon MTurk. You can find a variety of tasks on the platform and quite a few of them actually. Some of the tasks includes text creation, copy editing, web research, data processing, proofreading, etc. So how can you get jobs on ClickWorker? They require you to complete some assessments before you can pick up any kind of micro job. This is to ensure that you have the right skill and experience to complete it accurately. Each click worker chooses from the pool of available projects which tasks he or she wants to take on. The tasks available may vary from click worker to click worker based on qualification, assessments, education, language abilities, and interest. Depending on your total profile and qualification, you may be offered some projects or may be excluded from others. Payment is made for each accepted and completed task. The amount is fixed and is published ahead of time, so you will know how much you're going to earn. They'll pay you every week with PayPal. The online microjob website is Fancy Hands. They are a virtual assistant company and requires people who can perform small tasks for various businesses. For example, managing calls, scheduling appointments, making phone calls, etc. They'll pay you anywhere between $3 to $7 on an average. It could be a higher pay for more complicated tasks. Your work will have to be approved and you get paid for them every other week. You must have a headset with an attached microphone to get started with them. The fourth one is TaskRabbit. You can find jobs to help people in your area with small tasks. So for example, you can help an elderly person carry groceries from car, wait in a line, offer mounting services, moving services, give help with office administration, etc. You'll be needed to bid on tasks that you want to complete, and once you have completed the task assigned to you, you will be paid within after around 72 hours. You can cash out with a check or PayPal when you have a minimum balance of $25. The next online micro job website is Fiverr. It is one of the best freelancing and micro gigs platform online today. If you want to become a freelancer, there is no way you can miss out on Fiverr. It is one of the most popular and reliable online micro job website. As a freelancer, you can create gigs that you want to sell starting at $5. It all depends upon your work skill and experience, and you can go up to $100 and more. A lot of people have found success with selling gigs on Fiverr, and you can too. The final microjob website is Field Agent. It is actually a microjob app. They connect you with workers to offer data collection services. So for example, Through our mobile app, our hardworking agents reserve and complete projects collecting photos, videos, or data from anywhere the business is needed. So this is the kind of work you will be doing. You'll be collecting photos, videos, or any other data that the business wants you to. Once you sign up, your device will use the location to find available tasks near you. It will depend on whether you want to accept it or reject. If you're accepting a micro job, you have to finish it within 2 hours of accepting it. If you're accepting a micro job on this platform, you will have 2 hours to complete a job. Most of the tasks on this platform pay you from $1 to $12, and you can easily cash out your earnings. There you go. These are the top ways to find micro jobs online that does not require an amazing qualification or education or experience. If you like the video, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're looking for a list of other platforms where you can find micro gigs, check out my latest post on micro jobs online, 29 websites to find legitimate gigs and tasks today. You can sign up with some of them or all of them to find jobs. Links are in the description box below, so do not forget to check them out. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you tomorrow.